Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn one of the most useful topic in English grammar, modal verb. Don't worry if you have heard this topic before and found it confusing. In this lesson I will explain everything in a simple and easy way with examples. By the end of this video you will know what is a modal verb, how to use them correctly, the meaning of each common modal, common mistakes to avoid. So let's get started. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are helping verbs that are used with the main verb to express ideas such as ability, permission, possibility, advice, necessity, obligation, request, and predictions. A modal verb is always followed by base form of the main verb. Structure: subject plus modal verb plus base verb plus object. For example, I can swim, she should study every day, they must wear uniform, we will visit our grandparents tomorrow. Now I will discuss common modal verbs with example. 1. Can, meaning ability, permission, request. I can swim, you can go now. Can you help me? 2. Could, meaning past ability, polite request, possibility. I could read at 5. Could you help me? It could rain tonight. 3. May, permission, possibility. May I come in? May I ask a question? 4. Might, a smaller possibility than may. I might go shopping. She might call later. 5. Must, meaning obligation, necessity, strong beliefs. You must wear a helmet. We must obey the rules. 6. Should, meaning advice, suggestion. You should study daily. We should help others. You should exercise. Ought to, meaning advice, moral duty. You ought to tell the truth. We ought to help others. She ought to apologize. 8. Shall, meaning offers, suggestion, future. Shall we being, shall I help you? 9. Will, meaning future actions. I will call you. She will come tomorrow. 10. Would, meaning polite request, past habits, imaginary situation. Would you help me? I would play outside every evening. 11. Have to, meaning external obligation. Example, I have to work today. She has to wear a uniform. We have to leave early. Difference between must and have to. Must, speaker's obligation. Have to, rules or situation. Difference between may and might. May, stronger possibility. Might, weaker possibility. Difference between can and could. Can, present ability. Could, past ability or polite request. Negative forms of modal verbs. Can, can't. Could, couldn't. May, may not. Might, might not. Must, must not. Should, shouldn't. Will, won't. Would, wouldn't. Make questions. Can you drive? Should I call him? May I sit here? Will she come? Would you help me? Must we leave now? Common mistakes. He can sings. He can sing. She should studies. She should study. They must to go. They must go. I can to swim. I can swim. Easy tricks to remember. Can, ability. Could, past possibility and polite request. May, permission or possibility. Might, small possibility. Must, strong obligation. Should, advice. Ought to, moral advice. Shall, suggestion. Will, future. Would, polite request or imaginary situation. Have to, rule or necessity. Now you have learned the most common modal verb in English. Remember these 3 important rules. Modal verbs are always followed by a base form of verb. Most modal verbs are never followed by 2. Modal verbs help us express ability, permission, possibility, advice, necessity, request, and future actions. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.